PHP function and array. In PHP server-side scripting language, functions and array concepts are very important to solve the many complex problems in real world. In most of the programming language, a block of segment in a program that performs a specific operation task, like insert, execute, delete, calculate, and etc. This segment is also known as function. A function will get set of inputs. After processing, it will produce a concrete output. A function is a type of subroutine or procedure in a program. A function will be executed by call to the function, and the function returns any data type values or null value to the call function in the part of respective program. PHP has over 700 functions built in that perform different tasks. Built-in functions are functions that exist in PHP installation package. Types of functions in PHP. The function can be divided into three types as follows: user-defined function, predefined or system or built-in function, and parameterized function. User-defined function. User-defined function in PHP gives a privilege to the user to write own specific operation inside of existing program module. Two important steps the programmer has to create for users defined functions are function declaration and function calling. Here we have the function declaration. This is the syntax for function declaration: function and function name with the ordinary brackets and curly braces. Inside that, the custom logic code to be executed, and we have to close the curly braces. This is the syntax for function calling: function name, ordinary brackets with a semicolon. This is an example for a function. Here we start with PHP. The name of the function is insert message, and we are displaying the text student details inserted successfully. And here we are calling the function insert message. So this is the function declaration, and this is the function call. Array in PHP. Array is a concept that stores more than one value of same data type, that is homogeneous data type, in a single array variable. There are three types of array concepts in PHP: indexed arrays, associative array, and multidimensional array.